Meet the Redmi Note 13 Pro, and it comes with 3 active cameras on the back. For the shots, ito yung 200 megapixel, 8 megapixel, and 2 megapixel. Sa front cam, 16 megapixel, decent na for selfie. In terms of visual, 6.6-inch AMOLED display na protected ng Corning Gorilla Glass with 120Hz refresh rate to 400 by 1080 resolution and 1300 nits peak brightness. About sa performance, decent for social media apps. Okay din for multitasking and good din na for gaming dahil Helio G99 Ultra processor with 512GB storage and 12GB memory na pwede mong i-extend up to 24GB. For audio, it features 2 active speakers na Dolby Atmos supported with 3.5mm audio jack and Type-C port. Additionally, pwede ka mag-dual SIM dahil hybrid yung SIM card tray, meaning pwedeng SIM or microSD. Sa OS, Android version 13 with up to 3 major Android upgrades, plus MIUI 14 so you can customize the user interface, including always-on display, icons, fonts, wallpaper carousel, and themes. When it comes to security, may 4 unlocking options such as screen lock, fingerprint, face unlock, and unlock with Bluetooth. 5,000 mAh yung battery life, enough na for daily use, lalo na kung for social media apps lang. And kung for gaming naman, no problem dahil 67 watts yung charging speed. But take note na hindi recommended gamitin while charging. Sa special features, available yung floating windows for multitasking, memory extension, second space which is good for separating work and personal use. Meron ding heart rate monitoring to measure your heart rate